If you want to build a real online business, one of the smartest things you can do is grow an email list. The challenge? Most people struggle to get enough traffic to actually capture leads. Ghost pages can change that. Ghost pages are hidden web pages built on Google's own trusted platforms. Because of that, they get indexed and ranked quickly, giving you free traffic from people already searching for solutions in your niche. Here's how you turn that traffic into an email list. Instead of sending visitors straight to a product or affiliate link, you connect your ghost page to a simple opt-in page. Offer something valuable, like a free guide, checklist, or video, and in exchange, people join your list. Once they're subscribed, you can follow up with them anytime, share content, and promote affiliate offers over and over again. This strategy doesn't just get you free clicks today, it builds a long-term audience that you own. And the more ghost pages you stack, the faster your list grows. If you want to see step-by-step how to start using ghost pages to grow your list, I've dropped a link in the description. Click it now and start building your audience today.